Hey, Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV in the Hudson Valley, trying out the new DJI Mavic Mini. So this thing is ultra lightweight for 249 grams, which is super small and light for the quality that you're getting out of this thing, right? So 2.7K resolution and about 4 kilometers of distance for HD transmission back to the palm of your hands to see what you're doing with all that quality video. It has the 3-axis gimbal stabilization on it, which is what DJI is kind of known for, right? Really great stabilization on these drones themselves. And we can't talk about the Mavic Mini without talking about the battery life, which is about 30 minutes, which is insane. We were recently invited to a DJI event to talk about some of the specifics of the Mavic Mini, so let's go take a look at that.
Hi there, I'm Adam Lisberg from DJI. I'm here at the official launch event for the DJI Mavic Mini. We're really excited to be out here and showing this amazing new drone to the world. The Mavic Mini has all the features that you would expect. It shoots 2.7K video at 30 frames a second. It has a 30-minute flight time. It has all those automated flight modes. So even a beginner pilot can push a button and have an amazing spiraling or rocketing video. We've taken all those features that that you've seen in the entire Phantom family and then in the Mavic family of folding, compact, powerful drones from the original Mavic Pro and now in the Mavic Mini. We've taken all those features and we've put them into our smallest Mavic ever. It weighs 249 grams. And it's a weird number, but it's really significant because around the world, regulators have said drones that weigh less than 250 grams are the safest. They're so light, they're so small that they pose really a minimal risk of hurting someone. And so in a lot of countries around the world, drones that weigh less than 250 grams don't have to get registered, and in some places, they're subject to different flight rules. You can do things with a 249-gram drone that you're not allowed to do with a heavier drone. And given the impact that DJI drones have had around the world and the rapid adoption that we've seen of this technology for people who maybe weren't sure if they wanted to fly a drone or what they could do with it, when they get their hands on one, they love it, you're going to start seeing people flying with much more safety built into the drone. So we're so excited to be presenting this here today, and we really think you're going to love getting your hands on a Mavic Mini.
So I just want to say thanks to DJI for letting me take a crack at the Mavic Mini today in the beautiful Hudson Valley. I'd say it was a super fun experience, being that they worked even harder to make it even more simplified than it was before. So if you have any questions for me about the DJI Mavic Mini, hit me with a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Make sure you get the cricket. I need to hear the cricket. That's the Easter egg, watch. End of the credits, crickets. That's my audience every time I do a demo. That's my... All right, you ready?